was that?
Dishwasher.
Oh. Adam's ball. Steph's ball.
Next minute it all falls apart.
It's falling apart in my hand. I can feel it. Well, Steph's ball's obviously not that solid. Adam survived though.
Because it's smaller.
Oh! See what old age does to you? You turn to dust. And it just crumbles.